Hey y'all, how about today I show you one of our newest addictions. I'm calling it creamy orange drink. I don't really know what else to call it. It's a turmeric drink that is plant-based, whole food, oil-free. It's so good. It tastes like fall in a glass. It's yummy, it's delicious, it's quick, it's easy, and you and your loved ones will be sure to love it. Loved ones love it. Let's begin. Dang, that's good. Amazing. Hey y'all, how about today? Plant-based foodies. How to make them. Let's begin. Okay, so to begin with our yummy orange drink, I guess that's what we can call it. I don't know. It's a creamy, delicious, healthy, plant-based, whole food, oil-free drink that it's actually kind of, to me, it reminds me of chai tea. Steve thinks it's more like autumn flavored, but it's a great holiday drink that's non-alcoholic that you can have any time of the year, and it's so good. So you're gonna start with your 2 cups of plant milk, unsweetened, unflavored. To that, we're gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And then this is 1.5 teaspoons of turmeric, which gives us our orange. This is 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, and then a pinch of black pepper and a pinch of cardamom. You actually have to have the black pepper with the turmeric for the best body absorption, usage, whatever. You have to have them together to get the best bang for the buck. And then this is 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. Now you don't have to do this like in a fancy glass with an immersion blender like I'm fixing to do. You can do it like it just in a shaker glass, like a cocktail shaker glass. You can do it in a blender or whatever, but I'm just showing you really fast. And you're just gonna blend it till it's kind of mixed and those spices are broken down even more. It doesn't take long. Just makes it nice and foamy and delicious. And then you just pour it over some ice. Makes 2 servings. Look how yummy and fallish that looks. It's so quick, it's so easy, it's so delicious. So be sure to like and subscribe and share and try the recipes, y'all. And be blessed.